Time for a mindful tip, mindful math. So I learned this equation from my first mindfulness teacher. What it is the idea that your stress level is equal to whatever problem you have times your resistance. And so the resistance is either going to amplify the stress that you have, or it could level it out a bit. So if we took it in our current situation with, say, if we said the problem is the COVID pandemic, and we started to resist it, and we resisted like, I can't believe it's continuing, and all this stuff, it's going on, life's never going to be the same. The more we resist it, the more our stress and suffering is going to increase. That doesn't mean that we just are joyful about it, but what it means is that we don't resist something that we can't change. The problem is there, and we can think about how to take wise action, how to try to be in ways that are compassionate for ourselves and for others, so that we don't cause more stress and suffering for ourselves and others. And it doesn't have to be something as big as the pandemic. So for example, something that I resist is sometimes I go to bed and I'll realize, oh, I'm not sure if I locked the doors, and I really don't want to get out of bed, right? I'm resisting that, like, oh, why didn't my husband check the doors, or whatever my story is, right? I should have checked the doors. So instead of resisting, I notice if I just say, okay, let me go check the doors. So I'll hop up, go check the doors, go back to bed. That is a lot easier than all the story and the resistance about how bad it's going to be to get out of bed. So just play with this little equation, see what it offers you. That's your daily takeaway. Maybe for the week you can think about what are areas that you are resisting problems, and noticing that causes you more stress, and that you do have a level of choice about that. All right, enjoy.